Big changes are coming to Microsoft Word, and they could completely change the way you save and manage your files. From now on, every new document will automatically save to the cloud, whether you like it or not. But what does this mean for your privacy, your workflow, and your control over your own files? Stick with me, because this update has some pros, some cons, and a few hidden catches you need to know about. Microsoft has officially confirmed that Word for Windows will now autosave and store all new documents in the cloud by default. That means your files will automatically go to OneDrive, or whichever cloud service you've linked. This feature is already rolling out to Microsoft 365 insiders in the beta channel, starting with Word version 2509, build 19,221.20000. Later this year, the same system will hit Excel and PowerPoint as well. Microsoft's pitch is simple. You don't have to worry about saving anymore, it's all automatic. But as always, the devil's in the details. Here's how it works. When you create a new Word document, it won't just sit unsaved until you hit Save As. Instead, it'll immediately be created in the cloud with autosave turned on. By default, that's OneDrive, but you can still point it to a folder on your own PC if you prefer. And if you don't want this behavior at all, you can go into Word Settings, under the Save options, and turn off the setting called Create New Files in the Cloud automatically. So yes, you can opt out, but Microsoft is making cloud the default for everyone. Now, it's not all smooth sailing yet. Microsoft admits there are some known issues during testing. If you start a new Word session while another is already open, documents might not auto-save correctly. Sometimes, renaming a file takes time to update in your recent files list. And if you've disabled the Start screen in Word, your first new document won't save automatically at all. In short, it's a work in progress. And anyone in the Insider program right now is basically a beta tester for these quirks. So why is Microsoft pushing this change? The answer is threefold. Data safety. No more losing documents if your computer crashes or your battery dies. Everything's saved instantly in the cloud. Collaboration. Files stored online are easier to share, edit, and co-author in real time. Ecosystem lock-in. Let's be honest. This also ties you more closely to OneDrive and Microsoft's cloud ecosystem. If your files are living online, you're far less likely to ditch Office for a competitor. But here's the big concern: choice and control. Plenty of users don't want all of their documents going to the cloud automatically, especially sensitive or private files. While you can switch the default back to local storage, most casual users will never dig into the settings. And that raises questions about privacy, internet dependence, and whether Microsoft is slowly pushing us into a future where local saving is just obsolete. So what should you do? If you're fine with the cloud, great. Enjoy the autosave safety net. If you're not, head into Word's options. Save menu and uncheck Create New Files in the cloud automatically. This update could be a lifesaver for some and a headache for others. What do you think? Is Microsoft making Word better or taking away our control? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more breakdowns of the biggest tech updates.